Hey, this is Mr. Eason here. I'm going to take a quick second to talk about volume. It's going to be a reoccurring theme this year to find the volume of different prisms and composite prisms and everything, but the big thing we're focusing on right now is talking about dimensions and specifically talking about layers of dimensions. So I've built a couple that I want to talk about. You can see right here that this particular prism has two layers. We've got a blue layer down here at the bottom, we've got a green layer up at the top. So what we've been talking about in class is that this prism has two layers, not like that, has two layers, and each layer has 12 cubes, and we can count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And they are laid out in a 3x4 array. We've got 3 going here and 4 going here. So we have been writing that we have 2 layers, and each layer is a 3x4. So we've been writing this as an expression. We've been writing our dimensions of each layer in parentheses, and we've been multiplying that by our number of layers. So we're going to look at 2 more examples just so we can kind of see the difference. Here we've got another prism. It does have the same number of cubes, but since it's turned a different way, we are thinking about it in a different way. So we now can see, hopefully, that we have 3 layers. You've got an orange layer, a green layer, and a blue layer. So we would say that we have 3 layers here. And then we can think about the dimensions of each layer. We can look at the top kind of like an array. It's 4 across and 2 wide, so it's a 2x4 array. So we can label it a 2x4 array. And we have 3 layers of 2x4 cubes. So we could write an expression 2x4 by 3. Okay? Still has the same number of cubes, still has 24, and it's the same shape, but we're thinking about it with different layers, and that's going to be important when we start looking at composite prisms, because we're going to need to be able to look at prisms in multiple ways to help us find the volume of large objects. Okay, so we're going to look at one more way that you can look at it. So this is, again, same prism. Excuse the interruptions. We're doing dismissal. Same prism. I built it differently to highlight the different layers. So we've got 4 layers: orange, yellow, blue, and green. So we have 4 layers. And each layer is a 3x2. You can see that there are 3 going across and 2 going the other direction. So we've got 4 layers of 3x2 cubes, which means we've got 3x2 by 4. Once again, if you solve each of those 3 expressions, you're still going to get 24 because the volume doesn't change. We are thinking about it in a different way so that we can look at them in different ways. This has been Mr. Eason with Homework Help. Thank you and have a good day.